What are the causes of global warming? What are the causes of global warming? Fit the fan in the ceiling. Fit the fan in the ceiling. Let's celebrate your birthday. Let's celebrate your birthday. Are you ready for New Year's celebrations? Are you ready for New Year's celebrations? He is a celebrity. He is a celebrity. Human body is made of billions of cells. Human body is made up of billions of cells. Let's go to the center. Let's go to the center. Where is the central station? Where is the central station? The 20th century is over. The 20th century is over. Who is the CEO of this company? Who is the CEO of this company? I liked the starting ceremony. I liked the starting ceremony. I'm certain about it. I am certain about it. Certainly, you can use the gym. Certainly, you can use the gym. He was in chains. He was in chains. I'll sit on that chair. I'll sit on that chair. I need to see the chairman of water board. I need to see the chairman of water board. Do you accept this challenge? Do you accept this challenge? Where is your chamber? Where is your chamber? We are the champions. We are the champions. I'll participate in this cycling championship. I will participate in the cycling championship. It's your second chance. It's yours second chance. I'll change. I will change. He is changing his subjects. He is changing his subjects. Where is the changing room? Where is the changing room? I love this TV channel. I love this TV channel. I've already completed chapter number 10. I have already completed chapter number 10. He is a funny character. He is a funny character. She has a bad character. She has a bad character. What are the characteristics of this metal? What are the characteristics of this metal? I will characterize you in a movie. I'll characterize you in a movie. Protons have positive charge. Protons have positive charge. Please charge this battery. Please charge this battery. I will do a social work. I'll do a social work. Who is topping on the top 10 chart? Who is topping on the top 10 chart? The police is chasing the thieves. The police is chasing the thieves. This TV is cheap. This TV is cheap. He is very cheap. He is very cheap. I'm checking the exams papers. I am checking the exams papers. Check your tone. Check your tone. The baby has big cheeks. The baby has big cheeks. I love to eat cheese. I love to eat cheese. Who is the head chef? Who is the head chef? Chemical weapons are banned. Chemical weapons are banned. The bodybuilder has huge chest. The bodybuilder has huge chest. They are eating chicken. They are eating chicken. Who is the chief of this party? Who is the chief of this party? I love my child. I love my child. Everybody loves his or her childhood. Everybody loves his or her childhood. I like Chinese food. I like Chinese food. There are 100 of chips in this computer. There are 100 of chips in this computer. I love dark chocolate. I love dark chocolate. What choice do I have? What choice do I have? He has high cholesterol. He has high cholesterol. You have to choose one. You have to choose one. He is a Christian. He is a Christian. Christians celebrate Christmas on 25th of December. Christians celebrate Christmas on 25th of December. He goes to the church. He goes to the church. How many cigarettes do you smoke per day? How many cigarettes do you smoke per day? Please draw a circle. Please draw a circle. That's the best I can do under these circumstances. That's the best I can do under these circumstances. I will cite your research in my next paper. I'll cite your research in my next paper. Every adult citizen has the right to vote. Every adult citizen has the right to vote.